everyone, you made it to Thursday. Well done for yesterday's learning. Your maths was amazing and I loved seeing all your number bonds represented on your aliens and in all those different ways as well. You used tens frames, you drew the numbers, you used part whole models. You are amazing. We are nearly there and we're nearly at the end of the week, so keep going. Today's maths, we're going to continue finding number bonds to 20, just like what we did yesterday. Oh, and you will need your Power Maths books for today's session. Remember, what do we do first? We always warm up our maths brain, so let's get ready to do a little warm up together. Ready to count up on the number line? Start with your finger on 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And time to go backwards. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm going to point to a number now and I would like you to tell me one more than that number. Remember, you need to say it in a whole sentence. 1 more than 7 is 8. 1 more than 12 is 13. 1 more than 4 is 5. 1 more than 10 is 11. 1 more than 1 is 2. Right, let's do 2 jumps forward. Remember, if we're doing 2 jumps forward, we're doing 2 more. 2 more than 15 is 17. 2 more than 8 is 10, and that's a number bond. 2 more than 1 is 3. 2 more than 18 is 20. Can you point to which way we're going on our number line if we're doing less? Brilliant, you should be pointing this way. Number is getting smaller. Let's do 1 less. 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 less than 5 is 4. 1 less than 2 is 1. 1 less than 18 is 17. 1 less than 14 is 13. 1 less than 20 is 19. Let's do 2 less now. 2 jumps backwards. 2 less than 10 is 8. 2 less than 6 is 4. 2 less than 15 is 13. 2 less than 20 is 18. Who thinks they can count up in 2s on their number line? Let's start at 0. Off we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Warming up our hands, warming up our fingers. Time to do some doubling. Double 1 is 2. Double 2 is 4. Double 3 is 6. Double 4 is 8. Double 5 is 10. Double 10 is 20. Amazing doubling. Let's see if we can do some tripling now. If we're doing tripling, how many times do we need to count our fingers? If you're saying 3, well done you. 3 times. So let's see if we can do triple 4. Count my fingers 3 times. Triple 4 is 12. What about triple 3? Count my fingers 3 times. Triple 3 is 9. Amazing. What about triple 5? Count my fingers 3 times. Triple 5 is 15. Let's do one more. Let's do one more tricky one. What about a challenge? What about triple 8? Count my fingers 3 times to do triple 8. Wow, if you got the number 24, you are amazing. Fantastic tripling. Before we start today, let's just recap. What is a number bond? Pause the video and see if you can tell somebody what a number bond is. Let's check under the red box. Were you right? Number bonds are pairs of numbers that make up a given number. And see if you can tell somebody 3 number bonds that you can think of off the top of your head. Here are 20 aliens. How do you know there is 20 here without counting? How would we know that? Remember, these are tens frames. They're all full up. If your tens frame is all full up and you've got one of them, that means that there are 10 there. So we know that if there are 2 tens frames, there are 20. And look, there are no gaps in there. 20 aliens. It says complete the missing numbers. There are, how many green aliens? Remember what we said yesterday? We don't need to count them. We know how many green aliens are on this one. Shout it out if you know. 10. 10 here. 10, 11, 12. There are 12 green aliens. There are how many pink ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pink aliens. It says complete the number sentence. What 2 numbers are we adding together today to make 20? If you said 12 add 8 or 8 add 12, you were right. You can now complete question 1 and question 2. Your page should look like this. You've got some snails to sort out and you've got some butterflies to sort out. See if you can write the number bonds. How many red ones, how many blue ones, and can you add them all together? What number bond is this showing? If you said 15 add 5 equals 20 or 5 add 15 equals 20, you were right. Now the number bond is represented on a bead string. Now they're not to be sorted by colour this time, they're to be sorted by where they are. So we've got a section over here and a section over here. They've only put these ones into a different colour so that you can subitize them really quickly. Why don't you pause the video now and see if you can work that one out. And the last way of representing this number bond is a nice easy one. A bit like what we did with our drawing. We've got cubes here and cubes here. What would this look like as a number sentence? Well done everybody. If you have written 16 in here and 4 in here equals 20, you are right. Time to do power maths. Off you go. Next slide. You should be getting really good at these now. 6 add something equals 10. I've got my number line back out. I'd like you to shout stop when my finger lands on number 6. Stop! We need to work out how many jumps we need to do to reach 10. Brilliant if you're shouting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one, they've tried to trick you again here. They've put the number 20 first. They've put the whole or the total first. 20 equals 17, add something. Find the number 17 on your number lines and work out how many more you need to add to make 20. Page 13, question 4. See if you can do these number sentences. Remember to use your number lines to help you to add on and work out those missing numbers for the number bonds. We need to draw some lines between these numbers to match them up to make number bonds to 20. I'm going to do the first one with you. Then you're going to pause the video and see if you can work out the rest of them. 15, add something. Can you see the number at the bottom that would add to 15 to make 20? I can spot it. Drawing a line from 15 to 5, because 15 add 5 equals 20. See if you can do the rest of them by yourselves. Now that you've done that, and we've had a practice together, we've got some bubbles in your Power Maths books. And they look just like this. On page 14, question 5 looks like this. You need to draw some lines between your bubbles to make up the number 20. Fantastic, everybody. You've worked so hard today. If you'd like to challenge yourselves, page 14, question 6, you've got a challenge to do. Finished! Fantastic, everybody. Let's draw a big tick through our Power Maths book. Ready? Get your fingers ready. Let's draw one in the air. Finished! Oh, it's gone small again. That was very anticlimax. Fingers in the air. Let's draw a big tick. Tick! Finished! Fantastic, everybody. Tomorrow's Friday. You've nearly made it for another whole week of home learning.